Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kayeng bishar menta ka Sngi kala aipor ya ki Pulit ka East Khasi Hills District ban Tohkit Biang sa Sngi ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi badia Raj Kushwaha kat ba ya ki Ngut pat Kiwei lapha Patok lane ka judicial custody na ka banta khat Sngi ha ka baya dei bat ka jing sha panyap jong Raja Raghuvanshi ha ka arpulai trek ujamang hawai saudong kani ka jing Tohkit sa Sngi da ki Pulit ya ka Sonam badia Raj kalong hadien bakut no ka prasni ba ka yeng bishar kala aipor ha ka tayo balala kat ba ya ki Ngut Kiwei pat ka yeng bishar kala pha no sha judicial custody na ka banta khat sausi.
This, you see, today's police custody was granted to Sonam and her boyfriend Raj Kushwa, and for others, these other three accused, that is Akash, Vishal and Anand, 14 days, they were remanded, 14 days judicial custody. That's all.
And so if you could tell your names.
My name is Tushar Chanda. I appeared on behalf of the prosecution, and my colleague, Mr. Simati Jyoti K. Marak, as additional AP, both of us, we appeared on behalf of the prosecution. And from the legal aid, Priti Pradhan and Sudeep Rana, they appeared on behalf of the accused as a legal aid counsel.
Thank you.